Hi everyone, welcome back to Asian Fusion Cooking. In today's video, we're visiting Old Peking Duck Restaurant in Mississauga, Canada. We're craving lobster and dim sum, so stick around to see how the food stacks up. We'll be reviewing several dim sum dishes and a live lobster that's transformed into a delicious ginger scallion lobster with noodles. This restaurant is located in the Mississauga Chinese Center, a charming spot with a beautiful garden, pond, and plenty of Asian eateries, treats, supermarkets, and more. We're excited to share our honest experience and rating from our visit a couple of weeks ago. Just a quick note, we're not affiliated with the restaurant in any way. So far, the stunning decor and warm ambience have left a great first impression. When we sat down at Old Peking Duck, we were pleasantly surprised by the beautifully set table and the complimentary pot of jasmine tea. It was such a delightful touch. Stay tuned to see how the food measures up.